Who's going next?
Yeah, we're a wolf.
We'll go in order of femininity.
Hey, shut up.
I like how every small business, including mine, has to have the hallway of junk or the closet of junk.
Yeah.
Just throw it there.
And it goes there.
It does.
Yeah.
That's just where
It's
it lives.
meant to be there.
And then you forget where it is when the 1 minute you need it.
Here's your clicker. Every time you hear the beeps, hit the button. You heard the directions already. Isaac, do you want to hop on and test Brandon? Or you want me to do it?
He couldn't hear you, ironically.
Oh, the beeping test. I did this.
Yeah, I know you did it. I was here. But see, we're hearing it out here at the same volume, whereas when you do it, it gets lower.
Oh, yeah.
So we hear it the same every time.
It's really low. I guess you should always wear ear protection.
Pardon?
I guess if you're shooting, you should always wear ear protection.
Yeah, I'll be discussing that when she asks me those questions. We'll be doing a little public service announcement.
Thank you, Rob.
And what compelling video content that will be.
I mean, you're out in the desert. It's the Wild West. They didn't wear hair. They didn't wear all that.
Yeah, they also didn't live past 50. It's not like we have a baseline of how great the Wild Westerners had hearing. What kind of defense is that? Did you do the V frequency already?
Yep.
So he doesn't have it.
Not yet.
He's also a lot younger.
He's very young.
Oh, well, thank you for pointing that out.
Yeah, thank you, Rob. Exactly what I was thinking.
So is he doing excellent without the V there and everything is like, he's pretty solid? He's totally normal. Really, Brandon is totally normal. Okay.
I want to retest.
We're just questioning how important it is to get his bone conduction testing.
Oh, Brandon always wants his bone conducted. Absolutely. Do it twice.
Oh my gosh.
Can you hear him out there?
Oh, I can hear them just fine.
Oh no.
Brandon, you have no V.
Yeah, you're perfect. Can't wait to find out what it all means.
Yeah, you can. And it's gonna be another
Figure of speech.
45 minutes
It's
or so.
a figure of speech.
Well,
Just let it breathe.
Why would you say it
Let
then?
it breathe. Because that's your parents should have told you because.
Figures of speech do not need to breathe.
Oh my God.
They're not life forms.
Because I said so. You needed to hear that more as a kid. Because I said so. Ugh.
I think I heard it. I just ignored it. Or what? What are you gonna do? I'll call the child abuse hotline. And my dad would hand me the phone. Go ahead.
He's basically a straight line.
Brandon is anything from a straight line. He's admitted that.
Daybreak.
Daybreak.
Northwest.
Northwest.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Why is he doing
It's funny.
Format.
Oh, you don't remember Cowboy because when you got Cowboy, you said Southwest. I'm not kidding. I swear to God. Did he say
Kumquat?
Kumquat to Cowboy? Okay.
Inkwell.
Inkwell, you said, who's that? Or something like that. Who?
Whitewash.
Whitewash.
That was Dawn's favorite word, whitewash. She actually cheered. I just know when I don't hear the word, I'm gonna yell out, baseball, cowboy, greyhound, because eventually I'll be right. I'll just say greyhound every time I'm not sure until it's right.
Greyhound.
Greyhound, safe word. Untie me.
Hot dog. Say the word witch.
Witch.
I would have, but there's no point. Cameraman was out of position.
Pitch the straw through the door of the stable.
Pitch the straw through the door of the stable.
I'm going to repeat back the actual background noise, because that's what I hear.
We'd make terrible spies. That's all we report back. Is the background.
That's why we would make terrible spies. Otherwise, Dawn can be very svelte and quiet all the time.
They would just be on top of the building shooting.
Give me the center of the guy.
Without ear protection, of course.
All right, you're all set.
Cool.
Sorry about that. That's pretty amazing hearing. You heard us out here?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Like clear as day?
Well, yeah, but Rob and I weren't really talking as much.
Oh, because you're dudes.
And we're not as loud.
No, and dudes just stand there and think they're bonding. Oh, we spent an hour together. What'd you talk about? We didn't have to talk about anything. But you bonded? Totally.
Well, also, Brandon and I know what content is, so we can do it in short bursts.
Oh, okay, because I don't.
And we know you're doing a hearing test in there, so.
Oh, that's so respectful.